So you are writing a blog articles and imagine there is a keyword research tool which predicts how much traffic you're gonna get. How cool is that? By the way, this video is sponsored by Semrush and you can claim your free trial by clicking the link in our description. Now Semrush has various tools like Content Check AI and free AI assistant and keyword research pro plan. Also, if you input your domain and they're gonna track your keywords and give you a detailed report. And I want to introduce you a new way to upgrade your SEO with AI. Now Semrush is running a limited time offer that whenever you buy a Semrush Pro in the next 9 to 11 days, you get your own personal AI assistant for completely free. And not only that, if you stick to the end of the video, I'm just going to show you how powerful this SEO software is, and along with the AI assistant they give you. Now combining AI assistant with Semrush, you're going to spot opportunities and implement winning strategies like never before. And before you grab your own personal AI assistant from Semrush, I'm just going to walk you through in this entire video how the AI assistant can help you improve your rankings. With that being said, I'm inside my Semrush dashboard. Right here you can see. Now here I simply input the keyword just like how I was doing before. So let me just go here and type in my keyword called team names, okay, and select the country. And if you want to personalize for your domain, you can simply input here right here and simply click on search. Okay, now I will show you how this AI assistant gonna help you and predict the score, predict the rankings, and even predict the volume search traffic you're going to get. Now disclaimer, some keyword predictions might be true and some may not, but I have to say this because we just go by the rules. With that being said, so right now I'm seeing 100k keywords right here and total volume of 1 million traffic with the average KD 23%. Now as usual, we're gonna pick keyword difficulty which has a low and try to make it more, get the overviews and get the topical pillar content strategy and every single thing from Semrush itself. Now if I click on any one of the keyword, it's gonna take me to the detailed overview, keyword overview, and if I scroll down you can see the keyword strategy, how to build topics, how to build pillar content, and how to build sub pages and supporting articles. Now what if I show you a AI personalized data to show you how much traffic you're gonna get? So let me go back, and here you can see right here something called AI powered in a purple color. Now you simply enter the domain which you are writing this keyword for, right? So I'm just gonna go here and enter my domain. So right now you can see I have entered my domain, which this keyword is relevant to the domain. Okay, now it took a second and you can see the two separate column shows up here, right here. Okay, so these are extra columns. Now what is the first one? Potential traffic. If you read it carefully, the traffic you're likely to get with quality content focused on analyzed keyword, estimation is based on your topical authority, competitors on SCRP, and potential position. Now you can see if I focus on fantasy football team names, I'm gonna get 65 traffic. If I focus on just team names, 24, funny team names 19, inappropriate fantasy football team names 19, I can go on and see and select which has a potential traffic high. I'm gonna pick the keyword. In this case, I'm gonna pick fantasy football teams. How cool is that? See, with AI, my decisions of picking a keyword, it saves so much time. Like it doubled down, like it straightforward. It's giving the data. Hey, focus on this keyword because you have potential traffic to rank. Because I went through your domain and based on the domain data and traffic data, I'm actually suggesting you. How cool is that? And if I go to the second column, which is a personal keyword density, indicates the challenge for domain to get in a top 10 Google result for listed keyword. It uses AI to assess how closely the domain content aligns with the keyword. Now it's like a relevancy, right? And speaking fundamental, the greener it is, the relevant it is. Now you're seeing almost red and yellow because I do not have, I've deleted the articles because I'm focusing on new thing. Okay. Now let me show you one more keyword and changing the domain. Now I have given the keyword side hustle ideas, and here I even changed the domain itself. Okay. Now you can see the potential traffic 15, and you can see the red because obviously I did not have blog articles. And I can go on and show you the case studies. Now you can see the domain is roundtable.com, which is a popular SEO information site, and then I have given a keyword called SEO, and you can see the potential traffic 325. So let me just filter it to high to low and see what the high relevant and what the highest potential traffic it can get. You can actually you can also do one more thing, which take your competitor website and put a keyword, and by getting the AI powered solution right here, you can focus on that keyword, and you will be the first one before your competitor focus on that keyword. Right now you can also see like it is searching some keywords, right? I think the first one is a Korean guy, artist, I don't know, but yeah, SEO meaning SEO services, SEO company, local SEO. So we can also you can see this, right? And not only that, when you go inside keyword overview, and here I can simply select the domain, or type in whatever the domain you want to link it for, get the powerful AI solutions. Now it's gonna go and show you every single thing. It is going to actually give you some solutions. Example, personal keyword difficulty is 59 and topical authority is relevant, because I have some articles in my domain and related to team names, and potential traffic 19, potential topic traffic is 74. Like what do you mean topic traffic? Like traffic you're likely to get using high volume variations of seed keyword, which means basically telling long tail keywords or other keyword variations like semantic keywords. Now potential position is 85. We want to make it at least 10 to 30. Okay, so potential position 85, that means this is not a good one to go for. Okay, I mean you can go for, but that is not as a beginner it won't be relevant for you. But if you got the high domain authority, then it doesn't matter how much potential position, you're gonna improve the position. And also we have got the keyword variations. You can see the potential keyword density, you can also go by this, and there is also questions, and you can also pick potential keyword density questions to relevant FAQs. And if I scroll down for a CRP analysis, you can see that the AI is telling me that I'm gonna land in 81 to 90. Okay, now what is a good way to improve your SERP rankings? By focusing on specific user intent. Okay, and then analyzing the top 10 articles in the first page. And not only that, if I go to the domain overview, everywhere is an AI assistant for you to analyze the data and make you simpler when it comes to understanding. Okay, now if I scroll down in a domain overview, and I can see something called key topics. Now it is asking me to get topics. Now what happens if I click on get topics? Okay, so there's cool feature right here, which is a really cool feature. Okay, now it takes a couple of minutes finding botify.com topics, and you can use it for competitor, and you can use it for your own domain completely. Again, this AI assistant all over your Semrush research tool, you're gonna get it for completely free in the next 9 days when you purchase Semrush Pro plan. Okay, I will leave the link to this invite only landing page so that you can access it and get the free AI assistant for completely free when you purchase Semrush Pro plan. Now right now you can see this is looking like stock picture, right? But anyway, there's a lot of details going on right here. We have URL parameters, which is 806 and 151 keywords, no follow tags, canonical tags, and you can see Botify AI in SEO. Now this is a really interesting thing, because LLMs, like people are really now going to the LLMs and directly asking the questions right there, and you also need to know the data and how many times your URL are showing up inside the LLM, like ChatGPT or Deep Search or Google AI, and analyze the data. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and DeepSeek, Grok, right? And also website structure. And based on this, you can focus on improving your whole domain itself. So this is a really cool thing which I came across with the AI assistant in my Semrush research tool. If you have any questions, leave a comment, I'm gonna answer to them. By the way, I made a full tutorial on Semrush keyword research. You can watch it right here.